Hello, friends. We have an unboxing to do. Our spiritual goodies box has arrived. I have just cut the cardboard, so we'll see what's in here. I had a crazy day. My cat knocked over the Christmas tree. So last year we had gotten him right before Christmas, so he was a tiny little kitten. He was very interested in the tree, and we always hang stuff on the bottom that can, be mangled by the cats. And this year he's the biggest of the three cats, and I believe he jumped off of my pipe case and into the tree and knocked it over and broke a lot of glass ornaments, which lodged themselves in my foot. So I've gotten all that out. So it's been a day. So I am in the mood for a spiritual goodies box. All right. As you know, the box always comes with a little card. This one says, "There is so much in my life to celebrate." And that is absolutely the truth. Glass shards in my foot aside. All right, so there's December affirmation. That's the affirmation. There's a little book, which I don't read right now, so I'll read that later. And it is true. I have so much in my life to celebrate. So we have this little black bag. Oh, it's a bracelet. It is a little bracelet. That is too little for the wrist of BRG, but it's cute. It has like little suns. I don't know if you can see little suns on them. I think that's what they are. But that's cute. That's cute and will be given to the wrist of a smaller person. You being well fed. Okay, this is, I have no idea what. Looks like makeup, which, if you're new here, or you're not, I haven't worn makeup since like the 1980s, so I don't wear makeup. Mostly because I'm too lazy to wear makeup. And also, I don't think it's great to be spackling crap on yourself. I wear SPF in the summertime because I'm pasty white. Well, there's this cute, adorable bag. I don't know what's in it. I'm getting excited. Alright, let's see what's... Oh, it's... we can't keep people out of our cars and homes, but, man, I can't get in the packaging, that's for sure. What is this fancy thing? There's like a little bubble. Oh. Wow. There's a lot in this little bag. There's all kinds of stuff. I think it's you make it, oh, there's kind of, I think this is, you can make, that smells good. I don't know what that is. I think it's like a little, a spell ball, maybe? You can make a little spell with it, I guess. I'm thinking. I don't know what they all are, but we'll see. All right. Let's see, what else is in here? We have a box that says, "Let's eat cake." I hope there's cake in here. Oh, it's a candle that I'm assuming smells like cake. Oh, it does smell like cake. It smells like vanilla cake, and it's got sparkles in it. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. This bag was filled with all kinds of stuff. All kinds of herbs. And then it's in an ornament ball. So I'm guessing that you make some kind of spell with it. Not being a witch, I don't really know about that, but I can maybe make tea with it, or just like a pretty ball that I'll hang on my tree, and it's plastic, so my cat won't destroy it. All right, and then finally, I think, oh no, not finally, there's other stuff. There is a box of kindness cards. See, that's up my alley. I like being kind. And then there's this giant, it's either a rock or a crystal, a bonded crystal. Ooh. Wow, she's a big one. A giant egg. Ooh. Look how pretty she is. Don't make me mad, man. Pretty good aim. So, let's see what the book says all this stuff is. Alright, so we had kindness cards. We saw those. A sun-stamped cuff. That was the bracelet. Caliente lip gloss. Will be a gift for my nieces. Oh, do-it-yourself blessing ball. Alright. So they give you the whole recipe, which I'll read into. The Let's Eat Cake is the candle. Carnelian, that's the beautiful stone. And then the how to create the ball. I love the little book because not only does it tell you what this stuff is, but it actually does tell you what to do with it. And I like that from last month's box too, because I like to read. I'm not very arts and craftsy, but it seems simple enough, so I will check it all out. So thank you so much, Spiritual Goodies. It's a great box. Very happy with it. My nieces will be happy. Actually, I'm going to put these things in our Yankee Swap Ball, which we will play. We celebrate winter solstice together, which in my tradition is called Alban Arthan. So we will celebrate that together on Wednesday, on the 21st. So I'm wishing all of you all the very best of light and love. Today was the Mondayest of Mondays, and thanks to Spiritual Goodies, I'm in a much better mood. So, be well. Take care. Bye-bye.